Hello everyone and welcome back to Be Said. Today we are going to do part 3 about comets. If you want to know more about part 2 and part 1, the links are there in the description below. So in part 2 and part 1 combined, we answered 6 questions. So today we'll be answering few more questions. So let's begin. So the 7th question about comets we have is, why do comets have such an eccentric orbit? So before we answer this question, we should know the meaning of eccentric. So let's answer the question, what does eccentric mean? So the meaning of eccentric is how much circular is an orbit. Now we have got to know the meaning of eccentric. Let's resume back to the original question. Comets have in such an eccentric orbit because of the gravitational influences from the planets, mainly from Jupiter and Saturn. You might be wondering how this process happens, right? So let's answer this question. So before we answer this question, you should know that every planet of the solar system is involved in it. So let's see how it happens. It happens when a small celestial body like a comet comes near a bigger celestial body like a planet. So what happens is that the smaller celestial body gets attracted to a bigger celestial body. But because the planet is also moving around the star, in case of our solar system is the sun, what happens is that the comet did get attracted by the planet's gravity. But because the planet is moving, the comet couldn't get in orbit around the planet. So it gained some acceleration. And as we know, acceleration in the orbit means furthering of apoapsis or the further point of the orbit. So imagine this process happening for millions of years, if not billion years, eventually leading to an eccentric orbit. So the last question about comets we have is, why is the star of comets or Oort cloud so far away? Well, the Oort cloud is so far away because of the gravitational influences from the planets. To know more, please support me by subscribing to this channel. After hitting the subscribe button, please press the bell icon for more updates. Stay home and keep learning. Bye bye.